Yesterday we didn't bring fishing rods. Today we sure did, didn't we? Come here,
first cast, let's go.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, it's a Roy. Now these are native here, right? Here, he's little. I'm thinking throw him back, eh?
Yep.
We're gonna throw this one back. He's little.
This is for Captain Bex.
Check it out. He got some spear guns. This is a Palau style spear gun. It's got no trigger. It's got this lever here. You push this down and it releases the spear. What you call? Are those the soldier fish?
Yeah, soldier fish.
Oh, I missed so many fish. There you go. There you go. Get that one off there.
Nice. Is that a grouper?
Grouper right here.
Oh! Yay!
Rainbow runner.
Rainbow runner. Those are very good.
Oh, good eating. Good job.
That water is like hot, man. You're feeling better.
People at the beginning of the season like
See that? Tiny! It's feisty! Look at that!
ooh, it kind of looks like a huma huma nuku nuku wapua.
Yes!
Orange margin triggerfish.
They call him a trigger fish because he's got this bony spine on the top that flips up like a trigger so that predators can't get him out of a hole. He's got these sharp little teeth. Alright, we're gonna let him go though. Woo! Yay!
Good catch.
There we got another little Roy. In Hawaii they call these Roy. That's a little bit bigger.
That's pretty.
Woo! Now that's a beautiful catch.
Yes! Love for this.
Okay, you got little.
There we go. Red snapper. He pooped all over your boat, bud.